Good morning, dear children. As you all know, we are on chapter Means of Communication, in which, in our last session, we had talked about history of communication and also some important inventions or discoveries in the field of communication. Telephone is one of those important inventions. Today, our class will be activity based. As today, you will learn how to make a paper cup telephone, which can be used by person like telephone to communicate by speaking and listening. I am sure you will enjoy doing this activity. It's very simple and easy to make a paper cup telephone. In this session, you will be shown how to make telephone along with the details in the written form. The video will be shown separately. First of all, let us arrange all the material required to make a paper cup telephone. I had given you the list also yesterday so that you can arrange the material. Still, let's have a look at the material required to make a paper cup telephone. First is, you need 2 paper cups and 2 paper clips or a broomstick. Also, you need 1.5 meter of string or thread, thick thread, and a pin or a safety pin for pricking purpose. Making a paper cup telephone is a very popular EVS activity for kids. It is to use paper cups with taut string, means stretched string, joining them to transmit sound. This project demonstrates that sound can travel through string. It's always amazing that the device works and it can be used more extensively than just for fun. Now let's see how to make a telephone. First I will dictate you and then you will see a video so that you can make your own paper cup with the help of that video. So the steps to make a paper cup telephone are: first, you need 2 paper cups. Then you have to make a hole in the center of the base of both cups using a pin or safety pin. Means any pricking thing, anything from which you can prick, you can use that thing. After this, you have to pull one end of string or thread through this hole from one of the cup, and you have to pull it inside the cup from the base, and then tie one paper clip or piece of broom stick to one end of the string or thread. Then you have to pull the other end of the string or thread through the hole made in the other cup in the same way as done in the first cup. Now pull the cups apart so that in each cup the paper clip rests flat on the floor of the cup and the string is taut, means it becomes stretched. Now take one cup and have a friend or your family member take the second cup. Walk away from each other until the string become stretched. You are now ready to use your paper cup phone. One person can talk into the phone, into the cup, while the other puts the cup to their ear and listens. Now, can you hear each other? Okay. Now, what's happening actually in this case? Speaking into the cup creates sound waves, which are converted into vibrations at the bottom of the cup. The vibrations travel along the string and are converted back into sound waves at the other end. So, your friend can hear what you said. Sound travels through the air, but it travels better through solid, such as your cup and string, allowing you to hear sound that might be too far away when traveling through the air. Now it's your turn to make your own paper cup and enjoy this activity. Best of luck, kids!